This is Trial Exam 2019, ST&SP paper, question number 4. The diagram shows a motor lifting 130 gram mass. The current in the motor is 2.1 amps and the voltage is 12 volts. Calculate the electrical energy transferred to the motor as it lifts the mass. It says specifically 2 significant figures here. So first of all, we have to write down our equation. Energy is volts times current times time. So then we're going to put in everything we know. The voltage is 2.1, sorry, the current is 2.1, the voltage is 12, the time is 1.5, and then we're going to get this to be 38 joules. This actually comes out to be 37.8. This is 3 significant figures, and they wanted 2. So the final value would be 38 joules. State the equation linking gravitational potential energy, mass, G, and height. So GPE equals M times G times H. Of course, you can write that out as well. Word equations is fine. We're not going to accept gravity for G. It's not gravity, it's gravitational force. So the next question says, it lifts the 130 gram mass to a height of 63 centimeters. Notice they're trying to make this question slightly harder by making you change the units around. They're not going to give you any more marks for a calculate here because they just gave you 1 for stating the equation. So what we have to do is calculate the gravitational potential. So we can just put it in. The mass is 0.13 because this is always in kilograms. At the top of the paper, they say it's 10 meters per second for gravity. So let's have a look at that. Just check that's right. And there it is. G is 10 meters per second squared. So let's go back to our question. And then the height, they've got it in centimeters, so we need to put it into meters, 0.63, and we should get 0.82 joules. Why is the amount of GPE gained by the mass less than the amount of electrical energy transferred to the motor? So this is just 2. We're going to suggest some reasons. There are a few things you can say. Energy is lost as heat. Mass has also gained KE. We had to move it, so not all of it went into gravitational potential. Some of it went into moving it, so it has gained a little bit of KE. Mass of string has been ignored. If you ignore the mass of the string, you still have lifted the string. And then we can also say motor is not 100% efficient. Any 2 of those would have got you the mark. Okay, and that was question number 4.